Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01754 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. So now I am going to create one imaginary table called planets. So planet name having varchar 2 data type, size 20. Next planet weight, planet weight with the long data type, and distance from earth, with the long data type. So I have created the 3 columns in planets table. Let me press the enter. You can see that ORA-01754 table may contain only one column of type long. So here I have created 2 columns with the data type long. So make sure that which column you need long data type and remove another column. So I am going to remove one column, that is I am going to change the data type of one column to number. So now only one column is long data type now. Now let me press enter. You can see the table is created. So this is the fix for ORA-01754 error.